Most rideshare drivers I talk to think the standard mileage rate covers everything. 70 cents a mile in 2026. Use it on Schedule C. Done. They are leaving $1,500 to $2,000 per year on the table because they do not know about Revenue Ruling 80-203. Car washes, detailing, interior cleaning supplies. All deductible on top of the standard mileage rate. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly what is deductible separately, exactly what is already covered by mileage so you do not double deduct, and the record keeping that protects you if the IRS ever asks. Welcome to the Freelancer's Wealth Blueprint, where we turn gig income into long-term wealth. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or any rideshare platform, hit subscribe right now. This channel is your tax cheat sheet for everything self-employment. Let us start with what the standard mileage rate actually covers. The 70-cent per mile rate in 2026 is the IRS all-in number that bundles a whole list of vehicle costs into one simple deduction. Per publication 463, the standard mileage rate covers gas and oil changes, tires, brake jobs, general repairs, depreciation, auto insurance, and registration and license fees. That is a long list. If you use standard mileage, you cannot also deduct any of those things separately. Doing so is double dipping, and it is one of the most common audit triggers for gig workers. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Revenue Ruling 80-203 is an IRS ruling from 1980 that established a specific principle. Car washes are not vehicle operating expenses. They are passenger image expenses. And because they are not on the list of items bundled into the standard mileage rate, they are deductible separately. Read that again because it is the whole point of this video. Car washes are deductible on top of standard mileage. The IRS confirmed this in the original 8203 ruling, and the principle has held up across subsequent guidance ever since. How often is a reasonable car wash schedule for a rideshare driver? My rule of thumb is that anything passengers can see in your car needs to be clean. Most drivers wash exterior weekly. At $15 per wash, that is $780 a year. Some drivers wash every other day in high-volume markets, which can run $1,200 to $1,500 a year. Both are reasonable. The IRS is looking for ordinary and necessary, and a passenger-facing service vehicle that gets dirty from heavy use is the textbook example of necessary maintenance for business image. Detailing follows the same principle. Interior detailing, exterior detailing, and full clean and recondition services are all deductible as passenger image expenses under the same Rev Rule 8203 analogous treatment. Most rideshare drivers do quarterly detailing at $100 to $200 per visit. 4 visits at $150 equals $600 a year. Some drivers go monthly during summer heat or winter salt season. If your local Uber or Lyft rating starts dipping after a spill or stain, the next detail you pay for is 100% deductible. Interior cleaning supplies are a separate deduction category. These go on Schedule C Line 22 as business supplies, not on Line 9 vehicle expenses. Examples include disinfecting wipes for the seats after every shift, a handheld vacuum or a vacuum subscription at a gas station, air fresheners, but only the ones you keep in the vehicle for passenger comfort, not the ones you take home. Microfiber towels for spot cleaning during shifts. Glass cleaner for inside windshields. Hand sanitizer for passengers, which became a deductible item during the pandemic and remains so under ordinary and necessary business expense principles. For a typical rideshare driver, this is $200 to $400 per year of cleaning supplies that most drivers forget to track. Maintenance is where drivers get confused. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake pads, transmission service, alignment. All of those are covered by the standard mileage rate and cannot be deducted separately. If you took your car in for a $600 brake job, you do not enter that as a separate expense on Schedule C if you are using standard mileage. You already deducted a piece of that cost in the 70-cent per mile rate. The only way to deduct actual maintenance expenses separately is to switch to the actual expense method, which means tracking every fuel receipt, every oil change, every repair, plus depreciation, plus insurance, plus registration, and applying your business use percentage. For most rideshare drivers, standard mileage delivers a bigger deduction than actual expenses and is way less paperwork. Let me stack the 4 deductions in a real example. A driver who covered 35,000 business miles in 2026 gets $24,500 in mileage deduction. On top of that, weekly car washes at $15 times 52 weeks is $780. Quarterly detailing at $150 times 4 visits is $600. Interior cleaning supplies for the year, $200. Add it all up. 24,500 plus 780 plus 600 plus 200 equals $26,080 in deductions. The car wash, detailing, and supplies stack added $1,580 of deductions on top of pure mileage. At an effective tax rate of about 27% for a typical rideshare driver, that is $426 in real tax savings. Now, the record keeping that protects all of this in an audit. 3 rules. 1. Save every receipt. The pump receipt from the car wash, the credit card receipt from the detail shop, the Amazon receipt for the cleaning supplies. Snap a photo with your phone and store it in a labeled folder, or use an app like Stride, Gridwise, or Everlance that captures and categorizes them automatically. 2. Log the business purpose. The IRS wants to see that the expense was tied to your business. A simple line like Rideshare Driving 2026 on the back of the receipt or in the app metadata is enough. 3. Keep records for at least 7 years. The IRS audit window for substantial understatement is 6 years, so 7 gives you a safety buffer. Save everything in Google Drive, Dropbox, or any cloud system that survives a hard drive crash. 2 more notes before I wrap. Parking and tolls are also deductible separately on top of standard mileage. Phone mounts, dash cams, and any equipment specifically purchased for rideshare work go on line 22 as business supplies. Do not forget those either. Your action plan. 1. Between now and the end of this year, start tracking every car wash, detail, and cleaning supply receipt. 2. Open a free account at Stride, Gridwise, or Everlance to capture receipts automatically. 3. At tax time, add these deductions on top of your mileage on Schedule C. Most rideshare drivers will see $1,200 to $2,000 of additional deductions just from this video. If this helped, hit subscribe and share it with the rideshare driver in your life who is overpaying tax. I will see you in the next one. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute tax advice. Consult a qualified tax professional for guidance specific to your situation.